here, Nicole. Come over here on this side. Come over here.
Sweetie, come here, walk. Walk this way.
Because I'm scared she was going to
Fall on it.
We don't want another accident today again. Yay! Nicole, come on. Come on. Come on. She's so happy. Boom! Boom! Yay! Come over here, Nicole. Nicole! It's like she knows that the camera's on. Nicole! Come here. Come here.
Why are you facing the wrong way? Mommy and Veronica are this way.
Where are you going, Nicole? Oh. Okay, walk to your mommy.
Nicole, come to Mama. Come to Mama. Nick. Icky Nicky.
Come on, get up. Yay!
Good job.
Yay!
Yay. Well, we know you can crawl.